My hope is that by the end of this video, it's all going to be good news. Tomorrow, I have to do something that I hoped I would never have to do. I want to start the day by saying thank you to everyone who is following my renovation of this Ford Transit van. It is the beginning of week 5, so the project has officially been taking longer than I expect, but thank you so much for coming along with me, asking questions, and leaving comments about how it looks. If you're new here, my name is Laura, and I'm in the middle of converting my Ford Transit van into an off-grid camper. Be sure to take a second and subscribe so that you can follow along as I finish building out the van. It has like brand new home smell in here. It is so nice. Today, I am going to sand down a few spots, do a second coat of paint, and get these wall boards up. That means it's time to get started. I think I learned my lesson last time. It's still pretty early in the day, so I'm going to try and protect my hair as much as possible. Everything looks pretty good. I'm going to stop there, take a second look, maybe do some hand sanding, brush it off, and then put another layer of paint. Also need to brush off my shirt a little. Haven't even started yet, already covered in paint, but oh well. Now that I have the painting done, I think I have a plan for this wall, so that's next on the agenda. Just been waiting to put up this board for 4 days now. We'll be able to put it up tomorrow. Welcome back. Today we are going to put this wall up for the last time. It will be done by the end of today, hopefully. Finally, after days of planning, that wall is up. Now that I have this board up, I'm going to bring the shiplap down farther. I'm not sure how far I plan to bring the shiplap down, or if I want to put in a backsplash. Oh, it makes me so happy to see it done. I think I might leave this for backsplash. What do you think? Should this be shiplap or backsplash? The sink is going to be right here, and I imagine the shiplap is just going to make a mess, and a backsplash would be so much easier to clean up. Let me know what you think. I'm going to cut the 2x4s really fast just so I can see what this will look like. That is so cool to see. I'm not going to get the other one out because I'm not able to put it in just yet. I have to wait till Thursday. It's amazing to see that come together. short day building today because I need to get the plates for the van. I think it'll be fast. I hope it'll be fast. It's gonna be fast, right? Oh, super fast and easy. 20 minutes in and out, and the van has plates. One more stop today to get another step closer to hitting the road. Hopefully it won't be too painful. My second stop was to get my first vaccine, so I'll be back in 21 days to get another one. So far so good. We'll see how tomorrow goes. Definitely happy to have this out of the way. I also decided that since I got a shot, I get ice cream. Seems fair. My sister told me to move my vaccine arm as much as possible. I think this is what she meant. My hope is that by the end of this video, it's all going to be good news. But for now, I'm in the van. I didn't do much building today. And tomorrow, I have to do something that I hoped I would never have to do. We're going back to the car dealership. It's been almost a week since I drove it in the rain, and the back doors were visibly leaking. It's been hours, and this is still wet. Earlier, this was wet here, and this one even fell off. You'll notice that I don't have the wood on the back panels like I did a few days ago. That's because when it leaked, it actually went into the boards. I took them off. They're fine. They're not warped. I'll be able to put them back up. But I have to fix the leak because that's where my bed is going. Hopefully, it will be a quick fix of the gasket, and I'll be back and running tomorrow afternoon. But it'll be an early morning for me, taking it to get fixed. Good morning. Today we're headed to the car dealership for what I hope is good news. I'm going to show you the space in the back that they need to fix. But first, a few little love footprints from the cat who's just so helpful. I know that's just my hint to clean it, but this little crack here is what I'm hoping they're able to fix today. That's what was causing my leaking problem the other day. Hopefully they can just adjust the hinges and it'll be a really quick fix. Either way, it's time to go. Gotta get driving. Couldn't be happier. They finished this in less than a half hour. I think I sat down, got my computer out to do some work. By the time I tried to log into the Wi-Fi, they were already ready. I'm so happy it was as easy as I hoped. Zero light coming through. I don't even think they had to do a water test. He said that they adjusted this plate, so I'm gonna look at it real fast. Looks like they just adjusted this and it's all set. Obviously I was dreading going, and now I'm pumped for the day. Since they got done so fast, I'm gonna head to Lowe's. I think it'll be nice to have an extra day in the schedule. So I guess after that I have to get to work. This is what I'm most excited about. This board is going to be my countertop, and I got it long enough that I can cut it off and have an extra cutting board. Butcher block would have been like $200. This was $35. Much better option. I'm planning to stain it like a natural color, so it should look really cool. This might be a new series in how not to do a van build. In essence, it is way too early to be buying finishing things for the van, but I just couldn't help myself. Like these pillows and these towels and this pillow. Look at this pillow and this pillow. In all seriousness, this basket is gonna fit under the bed about right here, so it is good to have it before I finish building so that I know how big it is. If you're wondering what the color scheme is going to be, gray, teal, and yellow. It's way too soon for pillows. I have to get these out of here. Obviously I'm painting based on how the day's going, but the van looks really nice.